ReWordify is a free website that supports vocabulary. I can take text from a digital material, copy it, paste it right into this yellow box, hit ReWordify text, and then it will take tricky vocabulary and reword it for me. So it was liquid water evaporates, but it put it as disappears. You can adjust how you want the vocabulary to look in the settings. So I can have the original article and the reworded article side by side. I can also in this settings make it so that I see the original text first, but it's highlighted. And then when I hover, it will show me an option, a synonym to scaffold that vocabulary down. Within ReWordify, you can click on any word and it will provide you with definitions. The difference is that the reworded option already matches the context of the article, where when you click, it's going to give you all the different definitions for that particular word. Okay, there's also classic literature built in. So if I click here, I can go to Adventures of Huckleberry Finn, Chapter 1, and I have that reworded for me, depending on however I had my settings adjusted. You can also adjust the level. So if I hit easiest, it's going to reword 27 words in the first chapter of this book. If I do hardest, it's only rewording 4 words. You can also adjust the color coding. There are activities built right in, so I can click here, click matching, and then it will provide me with a vocabulary activity.